Hey everyone, Jack from Half Chrome. We're back from New York visiting DJI and their new Mavic 2 release event. It was a blast. DJI really knows how to put on an event. We're going to tell you a little bit about that, a little bit about the Mavic 2, and some other stuff that we're doing. So stay tuned. So Chris and I are back from New York. We had a great trip. DJI throws a fantastic event. First time in the Big Apple for me, so it was nice to see. Chris was a little hobbled after a freak soccer injury. Maybe he's just getting old. But either way, it was still fantastic. We got to see some different sites, got downtown a little bit. I will not complain about Chicago traffic any longer. I swear it took us longer to get from JFK to Brooklyn than it did to go from O'Hare to JFK. And I'm not sure if the Uber drivers have some sort of deal with Drake, but I'm pretty sure that we heard "In My Feelings" in every single trip we took through Brooklyn. Alright, so DJI did give us a gift. We're going to open it up at the end of the video, see what they gave us walking away from the event. Again, class act. Super happy we were there. Lots of great people out there. Quick shout out to my man Rick from Drone Valley, sporting the gear. Love it. Thanks again. He does professional work. Check out his channel if you haven't. And there's a lot of other creators out there from our last video. You're going to want to check out their stuff too. Now, I do need a favor from my viewers. While we were there, I got to practice my Spanish. I met this guy from Madrid. Awesome dude. Looks like he has a really cool channel, but I lost his business card. So somebody help me out. Tag his channel for me, let me know, drop it in the comments, shoot me an email, something. I got to connect with this guy because he's fun and I need more Spanish practice. Now Marciano, he's in Chicago. I know who he is. Hopefully we're going to hook up too. Awesome dude. Lots of great people at the DJI events. Looking forward to connecting with them, doing some team ups, team flying. So the full review and comparison of both the Mavic 2 Zoom and Mavic 2 Pro, that's coming out soon. So make sure you subscribe because we've got super awesome things planned for both. High quality comparisons, in-depth camera testing, stuff that you're going to want to know. Which model should you choose? Alright, so we don't have our hands on the Mavic Pro 2 and Zoom. They're shipped, they're on their way. So this Saturday, we spent our day with some local kids flying drones, teaching them about drones, having a good time. We hooked up with Young Life. It's a fantastic organization. I got a link down below if you want to know more about that, but they do great work with kids. We thought we'd join their cause. There were 4 lucky kids that walked away with drones. We'd love to get back to these kids. They were having fun. Hopefully we have some future pilots out there. So Jalen, Jalen, Steve, and Lawan all walked home with drones. We love giving drones. We've given them away to students. We hope to give away some more at events like these. We hope that other people are doing things like this. Listen, drones are fun. This is a fantastic community. Lots of good things going on, and we're happy to give back, and I challenge you to do the same thing. Start with the kids. The youth, they're our future. Help them out. All right, let's take a look and see what DJI sent us home with. SanDisk. They did give us a 32 gig card so that we could record video from the Mavic 2 during the event, which we did. Nice little touch. If you heard that little on sound from DJI, that was in the box. Alright, looks like we got a large skinny box here. Got a water bottle, a DJI water bottle. Nice little backpack. Hey, thanks for watching. Make sure you check us out on halfchrome.com and don't forget to subscribe to that channel.